Here, hold on. Shoot. Hold on. Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
The National Weather Service Institute
Die!
has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from
You scared me, you asshole!
9:45 p.m. At 8:19 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was
I
located
got it,
near
though.
Pennsylvania State Park, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Whitewater, Maryland Point, Nanjemoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Leesylvania State Park, Smallwood State Park, Quantico, Swan Point, Memphis Point, United States. 301
Nice!
Memorial Bridge, Post Creek,
Scared me.
Beach, and Colonial
You got me.
Beach.
Yeah, you got me back.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. State Park, moving
Well,
southeast.
as you
20
can
knots.
tell here by this Devious Sterling alert, I was drawn by.
Entonces on Facebook GIS.
And who's on a VC with me right now? SG2413.
He's probably...
Yeah, he's...
Yeah.
Can you resend the alert? Because I
Yeah.
fucking missed it.
Yeah. Yes, I can. Yeah, I can resend the alert for you.
As you can tell. And I'll see you guys in the next one.